Hi students, how are you? I hope each one among you are doing great and well. Welcome to Supnit's classes. This is Rehmat Latif, your biology educator. So in this video, we are going to learn part 2 of biological classification. Okay? We will just recapitulate what we learned in our part 1. Okay? In part 1, what we see, we need to classify living organisms, okay, in order to so that our studies will become easier, right? We saw first it was Aristotle who classified plants into herbs, shrubs and trees, herbs, shrubs and trees, and animals into two categories: those animals which have red blood cells and those animals which doesn't have red blood cells, right? After Aristotle, one more person came who gave two kingdom classification, right? And their name was Carolus Linnaeus. It was Carolus Linnaeus who gave two kingdom classification. Carolus Linnaeus. He gave two kingdom classification, okay? I hope this concept is clear. He gave two kingdom classification, right? What he said in two kingdom classification, he gave mainly plants and animals. I mean, he only gave two kingdom classification. He put all the all those who were autotrophic, who were lower organisms under plants, and those having cell membrane only, not cell wall in animals. But you know this was not better option, right? Because we have so many organisms which either don't come under plants nor under animals. So another man, namely R.H. Whitaker. R.H. Whitaker in 1969, he gave five kingdom classification. He gave five kingdom classification, okay? He just gave kingdom Monera, kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. What kind of five kingdom classification he gave? He gave kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Okay, five kingdoms. And then one person, what he did, he just included all the characteristics. R.H. Whitaker include all the characteristics like cell structure, right? He gave mode of nutrition. What's the mode of nutrition of an organism? He talked about habitat of organism. He talked about mode of reproduction, right? He talked about phylogenetic relationships. Phylogenetic relationships are those relationships which are related to evolution, okay? Phylogenetic relationships. I hope this concept is clear. He gave all these, characteristics in which he included, cell structure, mode of nutrition, habitat, mode of reproduction, phylogenetic relationship in his kingdoms, right? Then one more person came whose name was Carl Woos. He gave three domain system. I won't explain that much. If you haven't watched that video yet, go and check that and come back to this video only. Okay, because it would take us lot of time if I'll explain the concepts again. So if you didn't watch that video yet, you please go and check that video. Okay, I hope this is clear, right? I hope this is clear. And we saw first kingdom yesterday, kingdom Monera. We just saw the introduction, and what we saw basically, kingdom Monera include bacterias, right? They include bacteria. Bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera, right? They occur in most harsh habitats. They they are found in most harsh habitats, like in under snow, in thermoacidophiles, in acidic medium, right? They have so many structures. Bacteria seems to be simple in structure, but they have very complex behavior. There is different shapes, like if they have rod shaped is in spiralum, right? Sorry, rod shaped bacteria. We have rod shaped bacteria. We have spherical bacteria known as coccus. We have comma shaped bacteria known as vibrio, right? We have spiral shaped bacteria known as spiralum, so on and so forth. Now in this session we are going to learn about two categories of kingdom Monera, namely kingdom two categories of kingdom Monera, namely Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. We'll see what is Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are very, they are special because they live in most harsh habitats. They live in most harsh habitats, right? Say, for example, they live in salty areas, and those salty areas are known as halophiles. Salty areas, those areas are known as halophiles. They live in hot springs known as thermoacidophiles. They live in hot springs known as thermoacidophiles. Okay. And they live in marshy areas, those areas which are found, methanogens. They live in marshy areas. Methanogens. I mean to say, by marshy areas, I mean to say they are present in cow dung. Okay. जैसे methanobacterium. Okay. How is it possible for them to live in such harsh habitats? It's all because of the presence of cell wall. Okay, it's all because of the presence of cell wall. I hope this concept is clear, right? It's all because of the presence of cell wall. It's all because of the presence of cell wall, right? you know we have some bacteria known as methanogens. They are present in some, you know they are present in gut of several ruminant animals like cows, buffaloes. Okay, and methanogens help in what? These are those bacteria which help in formation of biogas. Methanogens, these are those bacteria which help in formation of biogas. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Biogas, how they form biogas? Sorry, how they form biogas? They form biogas from the dung of these animals. Okay, be that buffalo, be that cow. Okay, dung of these animals, like buffalo, like cow. Okay, after Archaebacteria we have one more category of moneras, that is eubacteria. Eubacteria simply means these are true bacteria. Okay, these are true bacteria. Okay, they also have cell wall in themselves, and they are motile. Please remember, they are motile. Why they are motile? How they are motile? They are motile because they need to, travel from one place to another place. And they are motile just because of the presence of flagella, which helps in its movement. Okay, right? We have, say for example, we have cyanobacteria, which are known as blue green algae. They have presence of chlorophyll A, which is similar to green plants, okay, and they are photosynthetic autotrophs. Since they have chlorophyll A present in them, they can easily prepare food for themselves. That's why they are autotrophs, right? Now cyanobacteria are of different, structures. They may be unicellular, they may be single celled, unicellular, they may be colonial, in colonies, they may be in filaments, okay, filamentous shape. I hope this concept is clear, right? You know, they have presence of gelatinous sheath as well, okay. And some of the bacteria, what they do, they just, fix atmospheric nitrogen, okay, they just fix atmospheric nitrogen. Now we have some heterotrophic bacteria as well, right? Heterotrophic bacteria as well. These are those bacteria which can't prepare food by themselves. Okay, these are those bacteria which can't prepare food by themselves, and majority of them are decomposers. Majority of them are decomposers. Since they are heterotrophic, so they can easily decompose our surround, organisms which are dead. They can easily decompose them because they are heterotrophic bacteria. They can't prepare food by their own, they need to survive on something else, okay. We have, we have one organism known as mycoplasma. They are the smallest bacteria. Their mycoplasma are the smallest bacteria, and they don't have cell wall. Please remember, they don't have cell wall. Mycoplasma, I'll write it down here. Please try to understand what I'm trying to, you know, teach. Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma. What are mycoplasma? These are small organisms, small bacteria, smallest bacteria. Okay, they can survive without oxygen. They can survive without oxygen. Hats off to them, okay, because they don't need oxygen for their survival, right? Moreover, they don't have cell wall, right? Cell wall is absent. I hope this concept about mycoplasma is crystal clear, right? Okay, now we are done with kingdom monera. We saw archaebacteria, we saw eubacteria. Now we have kingdom protista. Kingdom monera include prokaryotes, right? Then we have kingdom protista. It include those organisms which have, which are single celled eukaryotes. All single celled eukaryotes are, found in kingdom protista. All single celled eukaryotes are found in kingdom protista, okay. All single celled eukaryotes are placed under this, kingdom, right? It includes, kingdom protista includes chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, protozoans, and protista. I'll write it down. Kingdom protista includes chrysophytes, they include dinoflagellates, they include euglenoids, they include slime molds, and they include protozoans. Like Monera include only Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Kingdom Protista include Chrysophyte, Dinoflagellate, Euglenoid, slime molds, and protozoans. Okay, I hope this concept of Kingdom Protista is clear, right? Since they are eukaryotes, as I earlier mentioned, Kingdom Protista include all single-celled eukaryotes, right? Since they are eukaryotes, they have well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles are present, right? Let me write it. Kingdom Protista. Since they are eukaryotes, membrane bound nucleus is present. I'll write it down. Membrane bound nucleus are present, right? Moreover, membrane bound nucleus are present, and they have, sorry, well defined nucleus is present. Well defined nucleus is present, and they have membrane bound organelles inside them. Okay, membrane bound organelles present inside them. I hope this concept is clear, right? Since they are eukaryotes, their cell body contain all, they contain cell membrane, they contain well defined nucleus, they contain other membrane bound organelles. Okay, so we will study first category, that is chrysophytes. Okay, chrysophytes. Let's study about chrysophytes. I don't know what happens to my pen tab. Sometimes it writes, so terrible. The handwriting becomes so terrible. Chrysophytes includes diatoms, okay, and they include golden algae, also known as desmids. They include diatoms and golden algae desmids. And please remember, chrysophytes are found in freshwater as well as in marine environment, both environments, freshwater and marine environment. They are very small in size. Since they are, single celled, they have to be, small in size, and most of them are photosynthetic. They can, they can perform photosynthesis. Through photosynthesis, what will happen, through photosynthesis later on, they can prepare their food. Since first category, I told you, they are diatoms. They are like this. Diatoms, one and two diatoms, like this. It's like this. Okay, they are like this. So can't we, make it clear that they are like soap box, right? We can, compare them. Soap box looks like this. Diatoms, they have two, they are two, since they are diatoms, they look like soap box. Okay. Okay, and diatoms leave large amount of cell wall in their habitat, in their environment, be it freshwater or be it marine environment, and that ultimately forms over years. They form diatomaceous earth, and being gritty, that soil being gritty is used in polishing, is used in filtration. Okay, and please remember, diatoms are the chief producers in oceans. Now we have dinoflagellates. Please remember, dinoflagellates are present in marine environment. Flagellates, they are present in marine environment. Okay, they are present in marine environment. Their color appears yellow, green, blue, red, depending what kind of pigment they have, what kind of pigment is present in their cells. Okay, and they have two flagella present. They, in dinoflagellates, we have two flagella. One is longitudinally like this, and another one is transversely like this. Okay, one is, longitudinally, and other is transversely. Okay, and we have some red dinoflagellates. Red dino. I told you that dinoflagellates appear yellow, blue, brown, red in color. Okay, red dinoflagellates example is goniolax. Sorry, Goniolax. Red dinoflagellates example Goniolax. They are red dinoflagellates. So when they do rapid multiplication, because of this multiplication, the sea appears red in color. Red dinoflagellates, we have Goniolax present. Okay, they do rapid multiplication, due to which sea becomes red in color. I hope this concept is clear. Kingdom Monera is clear. Kingdom Protesta, two members of Kingdom Protesta are clear. That is Chrysophytes and Dinoflagellates. We'll see you in another session in which I'll discuss about another categories of Kingdom Protesta like euglenoids, slime molds, protozoans. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you.